Hello, IG. Lady D here coming to you. Happy Worthy Wednesday. And I am coming to you with my fifth divine appointment. And I want to talk about how God aligns you with people when you pray for things. I remember one time praying like, man, I miss my dad's cooking. He's like one of the best cooks I've ever known. The grill master, everything. And so I remember saying this one day, and I got connected with a fellow mother of the church, and I did her hair, and I told her she didn't need to pay me anything, but she cooked me a spread of food and cooked enough for me to take some home. And I realized after the fact when I got home that was my prayer answered, that I got some home cooked food that I truly missed from my dad and my mom, but definitely my dad. So that's it, y'all. Have a blessed day.